So we found an amazing spot on the beach to watch the sunrise this morning, and it's just pretty good, isn't it?
Yeah. Can't tell you where it is, so we're not quite sure.
Somewhere on the beach that we found that we just parked up. There's a few people around, but many to ourselves. There's a cool van behind us which just pulled up and is using it for sunrise wake up, which is cool. So we're going to keep driving down the road later towards Punta Alen, and yeah, we don't really know what's down there, so we'll see what we find.
Yeah. Brilliant.
Just paying for our little entrance. It's 3 hours to Punta Alen, by the way.
Wow.
So we are in the Laguna Kaan Ecosphere Reserve. We are in the Laguna Kaan Biosphere Reserve. We are just kind of driving through and see what we can see. So we're definitely starting to think that we don't have the right car for this area. It is so bumpy. The rental company are not going to be happy with us, but we will proceed onwards.
Oh no, I hope it's not this the whole way, the whole 3 hours down to the I think we're pacing ourselves.
So that is why we bring the drone on these trips. Amazing to see everything around us, because otherwise in the drive we're just surrounded by
very thick jungle trees.
Yeah.
You can't really see anything, unfortunately.
So we found a little gap in the road. We can see where it leads to. Wow.
Wow.
To be clear, we have not seen a single other area where we can walk to the beach, so this is such a find. So we're living a special place near Boca Paila on the way to Punta Alen. It's a bit bumpy, the road, so I think we're going to turn around.
Well, it's just going to take about 5 hours to get there, and we're very hungry. We found some Pret chocolate almonds
from the airport.
But it's going to take another 2 hours to get back, even to civilization at this point.
Yeah, so we're going to turn around now and head back, but we're blessed with all these views we've seen.
Enjoy this beach first. Have a good time.
Yeah.
This is exciting. We don't know where we are. It said beach club, but it's in the biosphere, so we'll see. So we've decided to stay here. So it's called Emily's Beach Camping. It's like a really relaxed, chilled, like isolated place in the biosphere, and we decided to stay here. We're going to get food in like an hour, and you only have to spend like 150 pesos here, which in comparison to literally like a few kilometers up there on Tulum beach, it's like $50 per person. So yeah, it's amazing, and it's just basically just us.
So we are the only people here.
Come at 9:15.
Look at this. Only one way to see it properly. Get the drone out.
So we're in the water now, and it's really not that deep. It's so nice and warm. We've got this whole laguna for ourselves.
So on our little swing in paradise, just taking in the view. It's amazing that you can see the green water slowly become the blue water because there's a big kind of deep sinkhole in the middle where you can go diving.
Yeah.
And the colours of this, radiant.
Feels like a swimming pool. It's great.
Mm. Looking at your feet. Good feet?
So from up here on this little view tower, you can really see the difference in colour, where it just drops off and it goes really deep down. Beautiful.
And yes, if you're wondering, we did have to go back and pick up the camera 3 times for those shots, but we think it's worth it because they're quite pretty.
Yeah, dedicated.
So we have just checked out of our hotel. We're just kind of finishing up here. We had a late breakfast at Burrito Amor, which was really good. Just had a call with some friends back home in the UK. Now we're off to start our long drive to Valladolid.
It's a bit cool.
Ay, te pido, ay, te pido de compasión que se acabe la bamba y venga otro son, ahí arriba